All right, hit this, and here we go. You two, how you doing? It's Ace. It's good to see you. Hopefully having a lovely start to your Tuesday. Today, here we are with another bit of the Daily Dose of Internet. A very peaceful way to start your day and hopefully just put a smile on your face, you know? This is called They Know They're Getting Fired. So let's see what happens if you enjoy, make sure you join us live to come watch these or what other games we're doing during the week. And without further ado, let's get started.
Hello everyone,
This is your Daily Dose of Internet. Okay, I oh, Zach, no. Oh no. Zach, I'm sorry. I'm sure this is upsetting. PTSD. That's why I'm sorry. I'm just looking at this and I'm just like, well, don't just stand there. Do something. Gridley. Hello. They're just looking at it like, what am I gonna do? Like, look at their face. They're just like, well, someone. Yeah, they are definitely getting fired. Correct. There's not much you can do except unplug it. Well, yeah, I figured someone would have to do something instead of just stand there like. I mean, I don't expect them to try and like turn the knob or something off because that's a recipe for that. Maybe, like I said, unplug it would probably be the only option, but hmm, I guess that would also require getting close enough to do that, which again, like I said, unsafe. So, but one of them, they're both getting fired, 100%.
What's
All right.
more, the
No,
army
prefaces this. No one was hurt during this one, so just YouTube. Just remember that.
that he was putting together.
Oh, gee, what?
What's
Hold on.
more, the army that he was putting.
Okay, so did their back tire just launch off? To be continued. Yeah, am I right? Did their back tire just launch off like that? Cause damn. But what? Oh, okay, hold on. Run that back real quick.
The army that he was putting.
That back clear says fuck it. Okay, I see the problem. The light was red, and he just decided to go anyway. Now, uh, it's clearly the man's fault. Yeah, yeah. You did not have to go when the light is clearly red. Like, brother, no. That's clearly your fault there.
There's a trend where people see if their dogs would save them if they were to suddenly get attacked.
What? Oh, that's a demon dog right there. What? Dog! What are you doing?
He's so soft.
So soft, that curly hair.
Aw. Aw,
I
that's
think she might have
rude.
signed up for the wrong sport.
Okay. Ooh.
Someone threw an orange peel at this gorilla, and the gorilla used sign language to explain that they are not allowed to eat food from strangers.
Oh, wow. Wow. That's cool.
This underground water pipe randomly exploded.
Oh! Shit! Well, so much for their car.
Rise up like the Undertaker. Or is it just mine? Why you look at me like that?
God. Buddy, I don't know if that's. I get that's hell, but I don't think that was a great idea for you to do. But you know what? If I guess I can't stop you. If meet your hailstorm. I mean, I guess if you didn't have any ice, I mean, you're gonna have to do something because uh, it's the cleanest device. It actually is mostly. Huh. Oh! Oh! Oh my god!
These YouTubers pulled off the highest basketball shot in the world.
No fucking way. No way. Oh!
He really started.
How did he? That must have taken some. They must have done this multiple times, because how on earth did they get the visit? Kobe, I mean, get that man a contract today. That's awesome.
He really started praying in baby language.
Look, that kid's praying. Leave him be. What the heck?
Oh, that was the closest one. Ren, look how close this one is.
Brother, please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please.
He gave him some ketchup, but told him it was hand sanitizer.
What? Oh, you're an asshole. You are an asshole.
아, 지랄.
So this is pretty dumb. This driver caught this other driver that was trying to tow a car with a chain.
Huh?
What are you doing, stupid?
Oh! Why do people like this exist? Because what the fuck do you mean? Do you know how much of an accident you could have caused doing some shit? Where did... We need an email for your... I'll look at that clip at the end. Okay, that's funny. Happy anniversary to my wife. Oh! Well, that kiss is ruined. Ugh. Oh, that's cute.
Sometimes it's a good idea to use your brain before you chop down a tree.
Buddy, what do you do? Buddy, no! No! Oh my... Oh my god! YouTube, you may not be understanding this, but our lovely pal Zach, the first responder, they are just screaming internally. And who wouldn't be? Because just looking at this, and you're just like, why weren't you looking where you were cutting the damn tree? Like, oh my god. Stop being unsafe, humanity, at all. Oh, Jesus Christ. Spatial awareness. Oh. Alright. What, Oh, well.
I love it. I love this so much. Did you have something to say?
Oh! Well. Oh! Red
I can't believe tumbleweeds are a real thing.
Holy sh... Look how many tumbleweeds that is. Wow. Oh, hey, doggo. All right. Oh, look at the cats.
Are all 7 of you in there? I only see 6. Oh, there's 7.
See, that's cute. And he still made it. Hell
If you
yeah.
drop an orange on the ground enough times, it'll turn into a squishy ball.
A what?
So, I guess ducks like to chase laser pointers too.
Oh. Huh. Well, look at that. That's cute. Look at him go. What the fuck? Ba, ba, wa, wa-da. Oh.
Ta-da! Twitter took the chopper. What's your last name? Ginobili. Ginobili. My bad.
You gonna video me, I'm gonna video you.
For some weird reason, cats will react like this when they hear the sound of tape.
Really? Huh. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I can easily see why this type of lizard is called a sandfish.
A sand what? Oh.
I guess it's time for him to get a new fish tank now.
Okay. Jesus! Sounds like you need a new office too. Oh. Are you a little devil?
This bird thought that her hair would be perfect material to make a nest with.
Oh, no. You better get this bird out of your hair.
I have no idea how he was able to fit inside of this tube.
Nice. I'll tell you how. Skill and training. This is the moment he's been waiting for his whole life. Training every day, in and out. And you know what? We love that. We love to see it. There we go.
Why did nobody tell me that woodpeckers were really, really big?
Thanks for the resub, Murray. God damn, that thing is huge.
Look at how big it is. It's a woodpecker.
What the? What are they stepping on? Oh, that was a raptor.
He just really wanted some ice cream.
Very specific. It must be.
2, 1.
Nice. Hell yeah.
I'm really sorry, okay? What is wrong with you? Why are you blue?
What
She was
the
trying
fuck?
to jump over the garage laser sensor.
Oh, please, child. Please no. Please no. I was just like, in my head, I already know where this is going. So please, child. Please. Please no.
Why are you blue?
She was trying to jump over the garage laser sensor.
No.
That is the end of this video. Hopefully this video was the best video you saw today, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
Later. Okay. That was another shenanigans filled time. I hope that you all enjoyed this. If you do, make sure you like and comment below. It'd mean a lot. Or come check us out live while we do all of our other usual shenanigans. Yeah, Zach, only 3 panic attacks this time. I'm sorry though, This one must have been a real rough one, especially that first one and the tree one. Jesus. Anyways, I hope you all have a great rest of your day. And until next time, I've been Ace. Stay careful and remember, always have spatial awareness. See you later. Bye.